Welcome to this Masterclass Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here in the kitchen with me today. As a professional chef, my goal isn't just to hand you a list of healthy foods. No, I am here to guide you step by step, just like a beginner culinary student, on exactly how to transform wholesome, everyday ingredients into wildly indulgent, viral-worthy desserts. We're going to elevate healthy eating into a true culinary art form. Let's get started. Now, I always teach my students one very simple, absolutely crucial truth. We eat with our eyes first. A recipe could literally be the most nutritious dish on the planet, but let's be honest, if it looks boring, nobody is going to crave it. People want rich, creamy, satisfying experiences. The fact that the treats we're making today are packed with nutrients, well, that's just a wonderful hidden bonus to the sheer pleasure of tasting them. So here is our curriculum for today's explainer. We'll cover the viral dessert philosophy, dive into your healthy ingredient toolkit, walk through a 3-step master formula, perfect your visual appeal, and finally build some signature recipes together. All right, let's jump right into part 1, the viral dessert philosophy. So what makes a healthy dessert actually go viral? It's not the nutrition label, I promise you that. It is the mastery of 5 key elements. You absolutely need familiar flavors. Think cheesecake or candy bars. You need simple ingredients and really fast prep times. But most importantly, you need to create a strong emotional hook through visual transformations. You're trying to evoke that deep, comforting feeling of true indulgence. And that brings us to visual transformation. This is essentially our culinary magic trick. It's the process of taking something totally mundane, like a plain banana or a basic bowl of yogurt, and completely altering its form. You want to make it look and feel like a luxurious gourmet treat straight out of a high-end patisserie. Moving right along to part 2, your healthy ingredient toolkit. Open up your pantry, because as a chef, I can tell you that Greek yogurt and peanut butter are going to be your absolute hero tools here. Greek yogurt gives you this incredibly luxurious, creamy base that happens to be loaded with protein. And peanut butter, it injects this rich, comforting texture and a deeply familiar flavor. Add in some antioxidant-rich cocoa powder, the vibrant colors of fresh fruit, and a glossy drizzle of honey, and you've got everything you need. Next up, part 3, the 3-step master formula. Okay, if you take nothing else away from this masterclass, remember this 3-step progression. Step 1, start with a wholesome base, like our creamy Greek yogurt. Step 2, dial in a familiar, crave-worthy flavor. And step 3, layer in a contrasting texture, maybe some crunchy nuts or snappy dark chocolate. If you follow this exact formula, you are guaranteed a foolproof, totally gourmet result every single time you step into the kitchen. Let's talk about making it look irresistible in part 4, perfecting the visual appeal. Rule number 1 of food presentation: always, always use natural lighting. Whether you're snapping a photo or just serving friends, natural sunlight is your best friend. It perfectly captures those gorgeous, bright contrasts. It highlights the stunning juxtaposition between the creamy, snow-white texture of your Greek yogurt and the vibrant, juicy red of fresh strawberries. It literally brings the food to life, picking up every little glossy reflection. Rule number 2 is all about capturing sensory details through close-ups. You want to focus right in on that exact mouth-watering moment when warm, melted dark chocolate cascades over crisp, fresh fruit. You want to see the delicate, glossy drizzle of peanut butter and hear the satisfying crack of a frozen chocolate shell. These visual cues are what tell the brain, oh wow, something delicious is about to happen. Which brings us to the really fun part. Part 5, building signature recipes. For our first guided recipe together, we're putting the formula into practice with chocolate yogurt clusters. It's so easy. We take our creamy Greek yogurt base, mix in some brightly colored chopped fresh strawberries, spoon them into little clusters on a tray, and freeze them until they're firm. Then the magic step: dip them entirely in melted dark chocolate. It's incredibly simple, fast, and remarkably elegant. Notice the massive emphasis on contrast here. The real magic of this dessert lies entirely in the textural experience. First, you get that crisp snap of the dark chocolate shell, which instantly gives way to a smooth, creamy, and refreshingly bright fruity center. It's this sophisticated balance of textures that makes a simple, healthy snack feel unbelievably decadent. Next, we're tackling a beloved classic. We're taking our 2 absolute hero ingredients, Greek yogurt and peanut butter, and blending them up with rich cocoa powder. You just mix these until they're perfectly smooth and creamy, spoon them into little molds, and freeze them. Just like that, you've created chocolate peanut butter cups that take mere minutes to prep, but taste like you spent hours tempering chocolate. By doing this, we have completely flipped the script on the classic candy bar. We're keeping that deeply indulgent, comforting flavor profile that everyone craves, but we're achieving it using a clean, simple, and health-conscious base. You get the protein from the yogurt, the healthy fats from the natural peanut butter, and the antioxidants from the cocoa, all brilliantly disguised as a rich, chocolatey treat. Now, once you've mastered these basic techniques and our 3-step formula, your real culinary journey begins. I strongly encourage you to experiment in your own kitchen. Try mixing different fruits and chocolates. Pair zesty lemon with fresh blueberries, or blend tropical mango with creamy coconut. What about coffee and chocolate? Just use the formula to discover your very own perfect flavor combinations. You have done wonderfully today. You now possess a professional chef's formula, a deep understanding of hero ingredients like Greek yogurt and peanut butter, and the visual techniques to completely transform healthy eating into a viral culinary sensation. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final exciting question to ponder. Stepping into your kitchen today, what masterpiece will you create next?